Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use pandas library to append records to a CSV file. Alright, so here I have a master CSV file. If I go into my project folder, I have 3 CSV files that I want to append to this master CSV file. And let's take a look at the file real quick. So in this master CSV file, I have 33 records. And here, let me close this file real quick. Alright, so here, let's go into my Python script. So in my script, I already created a list to store the file names. And I'm going to import pandas library first. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to load the master file first. And I'll call the dataframe df_master. And from pd.read CSV, I'm going to import the data set from the master file. Then I want to evaluate each list. So I'm going to say that for CSV file in CSV list. And I want to load the data set using pd.read CSV. And I'll provide the file path. Oh, and this should be first pd. So here, the statement is going to import the data set. And I want to append the records from df to df master. And to do that, we can reference the df object to CSV. Then we'll assign the file path to the master file. And from the to CSV method, we can actually specify the mode, such as do you want to create a file as a new file, or do you want to append records to an existing CSV file. So here we can specify that I want to append records by inserting this a attribute, stands for append, to the mode parameter. Then I'm going to set the header value to false, meaning that I don't want to import the headers. I also don't want to import the index, so I'm going to set the index parameter to false. And that's it. Right, so if I press F5 to run the script, and here I'm getting a file now from error. Oh, this should be CSV. Right, so let me open my master file. And I can see that some of the files got appended to the master file. So let me delete the new records first. And I'll save the master file. And going back to the script, and I'll run the script again. And it seems like the script is finished. Now I'm going to open the master.csv file again. And this time, if I look at the last record, and it's going to extend all the way to row 133. So this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this video. And hopefully you guys found this tip useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.